Question number 23. Two cars are moving in the same direction with a speed of 50 km per hour and a distance of 12 kilometers separates them. Okay, if the two cars are moving with the same velocity in the same direction, their difference, their separation will remain same. Okay, now if a car coming from the opposite direction meets these two cars at time difference of interval 5 minutes. Okay, now what is the meaning? Say, okay, let me consider this is some A car and the position of this A car is here initially. Okay, say let's make a car like this. Okay, this is your car B and this car A and B, they both are moving. It is again very simple question, and you do not say this is a question of mechanics. This is a simple question of aptitude. So now this car is moving with 50 km per hour. This car is moving with 50 km per hour. Now at a distance, okay, the separation distance between them is 12 km. Now this separation will remain same. If a car coming from the opposite direction meets these two cars at time difference of interval 5 minutes, what is the meaning? Say here at some instant that C car was here, okay, C car, this is what C car, and say it is moving with velocity v. So the moment it was here and the moment it has, okay, it is not going to come, it is not going to meet this particular, the car is not going to meet this car A at this point, because this car A is also moving in the forward direction and this car C is moving in the opposite direction, that is horizontal backward, because we have assumed these in the horizontal forward direction. So maybe this will come up to this point, and again when this C will come to this point, this A has come to this particular point also, the same point, the A has come to this point. Now, okay, now what is need to be considered? You just consider car A and car C. Car A and car C has to travel 12 kilometers, relative position difference is 12 kilometers, and with the relative velocity only. So time, as I hope we all know, time is distance over speed, and time, okay, time, see, I'm going to take time, this is, I'm going to take relative distance because I'm going to see the relative distance along with the relative speed. So what is relative distance initially? 12 kilometer. And what was the relative speed? See, it is 50, it is v, so it is going to be added because this is in the two opposite directions. So relative velocity will be added if the velocities or speeds are in the two opposite directions. So it is going to be 50 plus v, kilometer per hour. It is given as kilometer per hour. So its units, the whole unit of this data will come out in R. And what is given this time? This time is given as 5 minutes. So I'm going to convert this in the hours. So that will come out equal to 5 by 60. So here this V, okay, after solving this particular, this is going to be 50, just equating those 12, here is going to be 12 into 60, it is going to be 250 plus 5 times of V, and from here this V will come out equal to 94 km per